In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix iPhone ringtone not loud. We will walk through a few settings, so stay with me and follow along on your own phone. First, we will turn up the ringtone volume. Open Settings on your iPhone. You should see the list of options with things like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth near the top. Scroll a little and tap Sounds and Haptics. In the Ringtone and Alerts section, you will see a slider. Move that slider all the way to the right. As you drag it, your iPhone plays a sample ringtone so you can hear the volume change in real time. Keep moving it until that preview sound is clearly loud enough for you. Now we will make sure the side buttons can control that same ringtone volume. Stay in Settings and tap Sounds and Haptics again if you left that screen. Look for the switch labeled Change with Buttons. Turn Change with Buttons on so the switch is green. With that enabled, press the Volume Up button on the side of your iPhone several times. You will see the volume indicator appear near the top of the screen and move higher as you press, which means the ringtone volume is also going up. Next up, we will check attention-aware features, which can quietly turn your ringtone down. Go back to the main settings screen. Tap Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode when the keypad appears. On this page, scroll until you see attention-aware features. Turn that setting off. When it is off, your iPhone will stop lowering alert sounds just because you are looking at the screen. Test your ringtone again by calling your phone or using the ringtone and alert slider. Many people notice a clear difference at this point. After that, check whether silent mode is the real culprit. On iPhones with a ring and silent switch, look at the small switch on the left side of the phone. If you see orange, silent mode is on, so flip the switch toward the screen so the orange disappears. On supported models with an action button instead of a switch, make sure silent mode is off there. When silent mode is off, you will see an on-screen message confirming that the ringer is enabled. With silent mode handled, choose a ringtone that is naturally easier to hear. Go back into Settings, then tap Sounds and Haptics, then tap Ringtone. You will see a long list of tones. Tap different ringtones one by one to preview them. The sound plays instantly when you tap, so you can compare sharp high ringtones with softer ones. Pick the one that stands out clearly in a noisy room, then leave it selected. Finally, check if a speaker volume limit is holding your ringtone back. In Settings, open Sounds and Haptics again, then tap Volume Limit. If the option Limit Maximum Volume is enabled, increase the limit with the slider or turn that limit off. Your iPhone will now allow higher speaker output for sounds like your ringtone. You have now made your iPhone ringtone louder by adjusting volume, disabling hidden dampening features, and picking a stronger tone. So give this video a thumbs up if it solved your ringtone problem, and subscribe if you want more quick iPhone fix guides like this.